Hi, in front of me is REALME C3i, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Start by going into Play Store. Now type iOS Launcher and download this app from this developer. Open it. Click Allow and tap Home button. Then you need to go into Settings, scroll down, tap on App Management, then Default App. Over here select Home App and select iOS Launcher by clicking on it. Then click Got it, and as you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!